welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be taking our cauliflower con queso, which we previously made in another video. If you haven't watched that video, I suggest that you go back and watch it. And we're going to take this dish to a next level. We're going to make taquitos con cauliflower con queso. If you're ready to go, let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating our pan with some cooking oil. I usually like to use avocado oil. And we're going to be rather generous with the oil. We're going to take a previously made cauliflower con queso, put it on a tortilla. By the way, you can make these with flour tortilla if that's your preference. And we're going to roll it. Add it to the pan. Make another one. This is a quick and easy dish to make once you have your cauliflower con queso made. That's why I like to make a big batch. I eat it the day I make it as is. And then I look for creative ways of how to serve it again. This is my way of eating more vegetables. So at this point, all we need to do is keep rolling the taquitos and put them right on the skillet. You know, one thing that I want to mention is this. If your tortillas are not warm enough, they will break. So right now I am using freshly made tortillas, which I bought from the store. But if the tortillas are not warm enough, what I usually do is I warm them up either on the microwave or a comal so that they are nice and pliable. If they are not warm enough, they will start breaking, and then you are going to have a hot mess in your hands. As you are putting these in the skillet, make sure that the taquitos are nice and tight and that you are placing them face down on the skillet. That way they don't become undone for you. Once you have a full pan of taquitos, let them fully cook on one side before you attempt to turn them. Otherwise, they will unroll on you. Now let's let that cook for a little bit. And you can just keep rolling and you can put them aside while the ones are cooking on the pan. So we want to turn them as soon as they start turning golden brown, not golden brown, just golden. We also don't want to trim them prematurely because they will become undone. Just leave these two for a little bit. Once the taquitos are golden, then they're ready to come off the pan. Now we're going to make a little salad. You know, I always feel better if I've served something extra fried like this with a little salad. So that's just my preference. cabbage. And it's just chop, chop, chop. We're going to take a lime and squeeze it right into the cabbage. A little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. And then with your hands, you want to squeeze a little bit. You want to break the cabbage and let a little bit of the juices out. Now at this point you can add cilantro, you can add all kinds of different things. I'm just going to do a simple salad here. I usually put 3 on the plate. If it's for my husband, I add 5. Now this is our previously made salsa. If you haven't watched that video, I invite you to do so. This is salsa with chile serrano. We have other different salsas. Any type of salsa will do. And then we add some grated cheese. And here you have taquitos of cauliflower con queso. They are absolutely delicious, semi-healthy. They are fried. Now for the taste. Delicious. Nice and crunchy. The salsa gives it that extra kick. If you like this recipe, give it a like and subscribe. Make sure you check out our other videos to learn how to make salsas. Also, we are going to be making other cauliflower con queso videos. So stay tuned. That's all for now. Bye-bye.